Hi, I'm your presenter, Kirstin Adrian M. Seana, and today we're gonna talk about Globalism by Manfred B. Stiger.
But first, let's get to know who is Manfred B. Stiger. Manfred B. Stiger is an Australian global studies scholar and author, renowned for his works related to globalization, global governance, as well as the global political economy. He has also studied the impact of globalization in relation to culture, identity, and politics. He made a book called Globalism, the New Market Ideology, where Stiger examines the rise of globalism as a powerful ideology that promotes the idea of a borderless world driven by market forces. Through his study, Stiger advocates for a deeper and more thoughtful understanding of globalism, emphasizing the need to consider its impact on justice, human rights, and lastly, the welfare of people globally. The integration of the economy on a global scale is a direct result of the recent advancement in technology. The introduction of new technologies such as the internet, improved transport facilities, and advancements in communication have enabled nations to interact and trade effortlessly. In light of this advancement, it is hard to disagree that the world's economies are not and will not continue to be globalized. With further improvement in globalization, changes are outright bound to happen. Countries have a set motivation behind aiming for this integration, but this phenomenon does not occur of its own accord. Several countries as well as multinational bodies wish for globalizations to happen. They see it as a progress, interaction on an economic front coupled with collaboration on other matters is viewed as terminal progress for all nations which everyone must pursue. Countries that chooses to opt out of globalization for whatever reason will end up suffering the wrath of an outdated economy. In the case where a nation decides to isolate itself from all the global interactions and trade opportunities or network, that state will suffer major consequences. It has been observed that in this modern civilization, integrating with the world policies and economy will help in becoming relevant. This notion is nothing short of backward, by stunting the growth and development of the nation along with keeping the country in the dark ages. To put it simply, the advancement of technology has united the world further, which is a good development.